Hey everyone, in this tutorial we're going to talk about a few ways you can earn money by listening to music, something that you do on the regular for free basically, you can get paid for. So let's jump right into the platforms and the applications that allow you to do so. So the top platforms currently that pay you to listen to music are the Current Music application, this one. Now it's a music player, but it's a money making tool where you can listen to music and that will basically turn into points that can convert to cash or gift cards. Now, just the basic understanding of how these applications work is basically they provide traffic towards niche music producers, and they try to predict which one will rise, and they probably charge those music producers because this is an ongoing chain where they will get this sort of attention from these particular applications, and that will lead to more of their more views for their musics. And that's basically my understanding of how these applications work, but they probably have a lot going on in the background. You can go into detail about that. I'm just going to go over a few applications that help you earn a good amount of money. The earning potential of a Current Music application is up to $600 per year, which is insane because this is passive income. You're not doing much for it. Now, the next application we're going to talk about is Nielsen Music. It is similar to the Current Music application, where it allows you to earn passive income by sharing your music habits and keeping the app on your device. It's very basic as well. You can earn around 60 per year. Then there's Playlist Push, where if you're a playlist curator, you can just go ahead and play your make a playlist, and once your playlist hits 10,000 streams, you start earning royalties for each approved track. Now, this is a very unique twist to it, and you can earn up to $1 to $12 per song added, depending on your playlist popularity. Now, let's say if you have 10 songs added, you can earn up to $120, which is insane. Then there's Slice the Pie. Now, I've heard a lot about Slice the Pie, and it's basically you have to write reviews. So you're going to listen to different music, you're going to write reviews, and honest reviews will end up paying you for your feedback. And that's basically a sort of a survey-esque format, I'd say, where you're giving back feedback. This is market research basically, and that's basically earning you money. Next up, we have Earnably. Now, this is, again, you collect points, listen to music, watch ads. That's going to give you a significant amount of money. Then there's Radio Loyalty, which also works the same way. You just have to listen to radio stations. Now, the earning potential is very small, but it's very steady. So you can go and do a few dollars per month. Then there's Radio Earn, which is, again, listening to the radio to earn money. Then there's Hit Predictor, which basically you can rate new songs, and each rating earns you approximately 50 cents. The earning potential is, again, a few dollars. Then there's VLocalize, which is basically translation. You can translate songs to different languages, and you can earn up to $4 per song. Now, this is a more, I'd say, active sort of work. Then there's Music X-Ray, which pays you to listen to new tracks. Similarly, there's a lot involved. There's a lot of these different applications. You should definitely go through this beautiful guide on LinkedIn. I will try to link it. It's called 19 Fun Ways to Earn Money by Listening to Music. It's by Nicola Christ, and this has everything summarized. So you should definitely go over this, see what works for you. Try all of them out. Why not? You're just earning money in the end, right? So yeah, that's about it, everybody. I hope this video helped you guys out. If it did, please leave us a like. Thank you for watching.